Bathroom remodeling isn't just about style, it's also about safety. Especially if you're dealing with aging in place upgrades like a walk-in shower, grab bars, anti-slip flooring, bench seats, things of that nature. So what should you actually do when you're looking for a contractor? First, make sure they specialize in doing bathrooms, not just general home remodeling. Make sure they're licensed plumbers and they know what they're doing, but this isn't a one-off. You want to make sure they can offer you low barrier, zero barrier, safety options that they know how to install. It's very important. Ask if they're licensed, insured, and how long they've been in business. Look for a safety first design. What type of warranties do they offer? Can they show you before and afters? Are there testimonials? Do they have reviews? Do they have 5-star reviews? Do they even have a website? You want a reputable company that knows how to do safety showers. Now here are a few must-ask questions if you really want to vet your contractor. Do they follow ADA and aging in the place design guidelines? Do they reinforce their grab bars? How do they do that? If you're getting a seat, how's that reinforced? You want everything to be safe. Do they install products that are rated with a warranty that you can look at, read, and feel comfortable with? Have you worked with others in the same position? Do you work with caregivers? You're looking for somebody who's in the aging in place marketplace. If they don't have that experience, they dodge questions, maybe they're not for you. You also want to know they're reputable and that people have used them that are in your position. The bottom line, a great contractor will walk through the safety details. They'll offer you some smart, safe solutions and back up their work with real experience. Because in the end, it's not just about your bathroom, it's about how safe your bathroom is, and it's about quality of life.